The audio revolution. Spatial sound, I, and the death of the 3.5 mm jack. The rise of immersive audio, spatial sound. The biggest trend in modern smartphone audio is the shift from traditional stereo, two-channel, left and right, to spatial audio, often referred to as 3D or 360-degree sound. This technology aims to replicate how humans naturally hear sound in the real world. Spatial audio, powered by codecs like Dolby Atmos, allows sound engineers to treat individual sounds as discrete objects and place them anywhere in a three-dimensional sphere around the listener, not just left or right, but above, below, and behind. Dynamic head tracking. Many flagship phones and compatible wireless earbuds integrate dynamic head tracking to enhance the spatial audio experience. This feature uses the Inertial Measurement Units, IMUs, accelerometers and gyroscopes, in both the phone and the earbuds to monitor the user's head position. If you are watching a movie on your phone and turn your head, the audio processing keeps the sound sources, like dialogue, fixed to the screen. This creates a highly realistic, fixed soundstage, mimicking the experience of sitting in a movie theater with surround speakers. The role of I in audio processing. Artificial intelligence, I, and machine learning, ML, are now deeply integrated into the audio pipeline, improving both input and output quality. AI-driven noise reduction algorithms can analyze microphone input in real time, intelligently isolating a person's voice from complex background noise, like traffic or wind, for clearer calls, a feature known as voice isolation. AI for personalized and enhanced audio. AI is also being used to personalize the listening experience. Personalized spatial audio features use the phone's front camera to create a 3D map of the user's ear and head shape. This unique data is used to optimize the head-related transfer function, HRTF, profile, ensuring the spatialized sound is rendered with peak accuracy for that specific listener's anatomy. Furthermore, AI helps upscale standard stereo tracks into a pseudo-spatial environment. The demise of the 3.5 mm headphone jack. The elimination of the universal 3.5 mm analog headphone jack from most flagship phones is a trend driven by two key factors: design and technology. The 3.5 mm jack is a relatively large, cylindrical component that takes up significant internal space. Removing it allows manufacturers to accommodate larger batteries, more complex camera modules, or improved 5G antenna systems. The shift to digital audio. The shift from the 3.5 mm jack to USB-C or wireless Bluetooth connectivity also represents a technological upgrade from analog to digital audio. The 3.5 mm jack relied on the phone's internal digital-to-analog converter, DAC, and amplifier. With USB-C or Bluetooth, the audio signal stays digital until it reaches the headphone itself, where the DAC can be optimized for the specific headset, potentially offering higher fidelity and better noise reduction. Speaker innovations, balanced stereo. While much focus is on headphones, built-in stereo speaker systems have also vastly improved. Modern phones use the earpiece speaker and a downward-firing speaker in tandem to create a more balanced, multi-directional soundstage, often with support for Dolby Atmos to enhance movie and gaming experiences even without headphones. Many devices utilize sophisticated digital signal processing, DSP, to manage bass, prevent speaker overdrive at high volumes, and ensure the balance remains consistent regardless of the phone's orientation.